Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for HipKit Club. It's Josephine here sharing with you another process video, and I made a 12 by 12 layout with the gorgeous July kits from the HipKit Club. And for this layout I used the blue, green and the green tones from these beautiful kits. And I had to my challenge for this layout is to choose 3 or 4 favorite projects from the kits, and that's a very difficult choice. But of course, I made some hard decisions for this layout. And first, I choose the hexagon chipboard elements from the embellishment kits from the HipKit Club, and I really love these hexagons, and I put the hexagons on top of the different design papers that I choose and cut them out with my scissor, and with my sewing machine I stitch the edges of these hexagons for more details. And I love stitching details on my scribble pages. There is also what I did with a hexagon is I put a hexagon on top of a quote card from the pocket page kit, and there the quote is, "Every moment is an opportunity to relax and recharge." And I put hexagon on top of the quote and cut them out with my scissors so I can use it just like a photo frame on my page. So my second product are the beautiful cardstock flowers from the embellishment kit, and I love to build my own paper flowers. So definitely a second favorite project that I choose from these beautiful kits. And these little leaves that I cut out from the dark blue cardstock, I cut these leaves out with a metal die, and you can use any leaf that you have in your own stash, and cut some leaves and for extra decoration for your paper flowers. Here I made another cluster with paper flowers under my hexagons. I put my hexagons on top of each other using some 3D foam. And when you use 3D foam, you can slide easily your die cuts or paper flowers or other decorations that I want to use easily under or between these layers of hexagons. So that's the reason why I use 3D foam. And here I made another paper flower cluster next to my photo. These clouds are from the stencil from the June kit, the cloud stencil. Yes, the cloud stencil. And I cut these clouds out from white cardstock and blend these clouds with 2 different distress oxides, the broken china and faded jeans. And I blend these colors with each other, and I sprinkle a little bit of water on top of these clouds, and I leave it a little bit, and then I dry it with a piece of kitchen towel, and I get great water splatter look on my clouds. So you have to try this, because it's a really easy technique, and it looks so great, these water splatters on the oxides, and that's the reason why I love oxides so much. So these clouds definitely a perfect fit for this photo from my daughter in the mountains. And so I thought I want to use some clouds, and after this video I decided to stitch the clouds with golden threads. So on the photos you see my clouds with golden stitched with some golden threads, but I decided to do that after the video. So that was an extra finishing touch on the clouds, and of course, I told you earlier, I loved stitching details on my pages. So now it's time to use my third product, and these butterflies, cardstock butterflies, are so cute, and I love butterflies on my layouts. Most of the time I use butterflies. If there are any butterflies, I use butterflies. And these cardstock labels and word strips are perfect, and I love these word strips on my page, and I made a little cluster on top of the clouds above my photo. For the title I used a dark blue mini alpha set from the June kit, from the hip kit, and I made the word mountains, and with another alpha set, turquoise alpha set, I make the word R, and then the last word for the title is calling. So mountains are calling is my title for this layout. And again, I love to use different sets of alphas to create my title on my layouts. Here I made some white splatters on my scrapbook layout, and most of the time I made some white splatters. I think it's maybe something like a signature, but I like the effect of white splatters on my layout. Here I decided to add some more dark blue colored splatters on my layout, and use the oxide color faded jeans for that. So I hope I was able to inspire you with this scrapbook layout, using the blue and the green tones from the July Hip Kits Club kits. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time on YouTube with another process video. And I can't wait to see all your beautiful creations on the Facebook group from the Hip Kit Club. And for now, I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, and see you soon. Bye bye.